So Jer, what exactly happens in here?
This is where the cows are actually milked. So twice a day the cows are milked, morning and evening. We start at 6 a.m. in the morning, and the morning milking takes a little longer because the night time the space between milkings is longer, so they have a little bit extra milk. So it usually takes between an hour and a half to 2 hours, depending on where they are on the farm, to walk them back. So they come in basically 20 at each side. So we prepare one side when they come in first, wash them and dry them, and then we put on the machines on them. So when the cows are milked, then there's milk meters over your head there. They take off the machines when the cow is actually milked. So it swings the unit back into the middle. But while that cow is milking, we're preparing the cows at the far side. So
cool.
You're busy the whole time when you're in here.
Seems like it, right?
Yeah, it's good, yeah.
So why twice a day? Why not 3 or 4 times a day, or why not once a day? Why not once a week?
Once a week would be a disaster because cows will go dry.
Yeah.
You have to keep them milking to stimulate the milk production. So and twice a day is probably cow can only hold so much milk in her udder. So if you leave it once a day, it's not ideal. Peak season, they'll have too much milk to hold over until the next milking. So twice a day just seems to work best.
And what happens once you have the milk? Once you take the milk, where does it go from here?
Yeah, the milk is taken from here in these stainless steel pipes, and it goes through plate cooler. It's a heat exchange unit. So there's water running through and there's milk running through separately, but between little tin plates. And it goes from there into the milk tank, and the milk tank will bring it down to 4 degrees.
And does that keep it fresh?
Yeah. 4 degrees is optimum temperature for milk to keep it cool, to stop anything deteriorating in the milk, I suppose.
And what about protein content in the milk? How do you measure that, or how do you track that?
How we track it is every day the milk is collected, we get texting that evening to tell us what the protein, butterfat, somatic cell count, TBC, and milk urea is in the milk for that sample every second day. So from that we can tell what kind of grass the cows are eating, and if the grass gets too short, the protein will drop. So if the grass is about 4 to 6 inches high, it's ideal for grazing, and the protein content will go up. So at present our protein is 354 just from grass. So and the butterfat is 424 or something like that. So
and what does that mean? Like, what do those numbers mean relative, like, to a range, or what you're kind of shooting for?
Yeah, we'd be aiming, if we had 360 protein, it'd be better again, but it's just, it's a balancing act. Very little changes in grass will change the protein in butterfat. So ideally we need the protein around there, and the butterfat a little bit. Around there is perfect now for me at the moment. My cows are bred to produce milk from grass, so it's that's ideal for this farm.
And who sends you that notification? Where do you get that from?
From Glanbia.
Oh, really? So Glanbia will send you that?
Yeah, every day the milk truck comes, it takes a sample on the back of the milk truck, and it's a constant drip from the whole tank of milk, and they bring it to their lab and test it then for all the constituents of the milk. And they text back me, so I can make decisions on the farm then to correct or improve the thing for the next collection.